What is AARP? An easy explanation and why it matters for older Americans. Description. Today we're explaining AARP, one of the most well-known organizations in the United States focused on people aged 50 and older, formerly American Association of Retired Persons. AARP is a non-profit, non-partisan group that advocates for older adults and offers a wide range of benefits and services to its members. AARP was founded in 1958 by Ethel Percy Andrews, a retired educator who wanted to improve access to health coverage and financial security for older Americans. Its mission today is to empower people as they age, helping them stay healthy, financially secure, and socially engaged. The organization's work includes advocating for public policy such as protecting Social Security and Medicare, and addressing issues like age discrimination. How AARP works. AARP operates 501c4 nonprofit, which allows it to lobby on behalf of its members without endorsing political candidates or contributing to campaigns. It also includes affiliated organizations like the AARP Foundation, which focuses on charitable programs and help adults with economic and social challenges. Through a nationwide network of local chapters and volunteers, AARP provides education, research, and community services on topics such as health, consumer protection, and independent living. Membership benefits. Now, AARP membership is open to adults 18 and older, so its services are most relevant to people 50 plus. Members receive a wide range of benefits, including discounts on travel, restaurants, and rental cars, and other services, insurance products such as life, health, and auto coverage. Publications like AARP, the magazine, and the AARP Bulletin, resources and tools for financial planning, for prevention and caregiving, programs like driver safety courses, and community engagement events. These benefits aim to help members save money, stay informed, and stay active. Advocacy, policy, and impact. Beyond member perks, AARP is a powerful advocacy group. Its lobbyists work on federal and state issues that affect older Americans, for example, fighting for lower prescription drug costs, strengthening Medicare, and protecting Social Security's long-term stability. Organizing also tackles age discrimination in the workplace and promotes policies to support family caregivers and affordable health care. In summary, okay, AARP is started as American Association of Retired Persons, and today it supports around 50 and older people with benefits, education, and advocacy. It offers discounts and services, publishes widely read magazines, and works on major public policy issues. Membership is open to adults of all ages, but most benefit centers on concerns relevant as people get older. If you found this helpful, please, if you found it helpful only, and if you want to, hit the like button, subscribe, and if you want a notification as well. Thanks. Have a good day.